Hey there everybody, Chris Heath, the Line Right Realty South Shore. Today I am at 1011 Spindle Palm Way. I am down in Apollo Beach, Florida. So behind me, you've got this kitchen that's been all redone. Brand new cabinets, brand new quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just shy of 1,600 square feet. But this home has quite a bit of entertaining space outside. So you slide this door open, and another really cool thing is this is one of those Apple homes built down in Apollo Beach. So you can actually slide this open, and you've got countertop on this side, and you've got countertop on that side to serve your guests, keep them out on the pool deck if they're wet. So let's go outside real quick and check this out. You've got under the shade hangout spot, and again there is that countertop, beautiful pool ready for everybody to hang out. Most of all, you got this boat dock out here capable of lifting 13,000 pounds of boat right out of the water, and this is deep water access, so you will go right out to the bay. No bridges to get in your way to get that boat out there. So if you're interested in a house that has a redone kitchen, 1,600 square feet, 1,590 to be technical, listed at $660,000. This could be the house for you. 1011 Spindle Palm Way. I'll be here today between 12 and 3. Want more information? Give me a call, 813-394-2878. I'm Chris Heath, Line Right Realty, South Shore.